Hi everyone. Welcome to Coco Senor. Today, I will teach you how to solve the issue iPhone frozen on the lock screen. Way 1. Reboot the iPhone and ask others to call you. Press and hold the side button and power button until the slider appears. Then drag the slider to power off your iPhone. Minutes later, press the power button to restart it. It might help fix the iPhone stuck issue. Way 2. Force restart the stuck iPhone with buttons. Quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Way 3. Use iOS Repair Tuner to repair system bugs. Coco Senor iOS Repair Tuner is the reliable iOS repair tool which can help fix various iOS issues. You can use it to fix iPhone stuck on lock screen issue. Just download and install it on your computer. Open the software and choose System Repair option from the main interface. Choose the standard mode to continue. OK, hit the Start button. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer. It is recommended to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Hit the Next button to load your iPhone details. Wow, the iPhone details are displayed here. Click the Download button to get the firmware package online. Well, now click the Repair button to fix your iPhone issue. Congratulations! Your iPhone is returned to normal now. Way 4. Restore the iPhone in the latest iTunes app. Make your iPhone enter recovery mode. Now open iTunes. On the pop-out prompt, click the Restore button. Click the Restore and Update button. OK, iTunes is restoring the software on your iPhone. Now your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.